Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So on Friday, I posted letting you know that Microsoft had rolled out the latest weekly security updates for Microsoft Edge. And the point release had quite a lot going on because it started the rollout of new tab page widgets. It had our security fixes, bug fixes, and also had a change. And I'll leave that video linked down below and in the end screen. Now, just to let you know about another change that wasn't documented in the change log, but the latest update to Microsoft Edge, as mentioned in that video, has removed WebView2 from the System Installed Apps menu and also from the Legacy Control Panel. And what Microsoft has done now is they've now hidden it quite deep in the system because it is a system component. And if you're wondering what WebView2 is all about, Microsoft Edge WebView2 is a developer control for embedding web content in apps. So as an example, it's used by widgets. It's used by widgets on Windows 11, your news and interest feed on both Windows 10 and Windows 11, Teams, Office, Outlook, Weather, and many more applications. So that's just a brief overview. And the Runtime and Microsoft Edge browser are hard linked together, which means they also only occupy the disk space of one product when they are on the same version. So very interlinked with Microsoft Edge, read the name Edge WebView2. Now, when I mention the apps and features list, if I head over to a screenshot I took from a previous video regarding Edge WebView2, which I'll also leave linked down below in the end screen if you'd like a little bit more information. It's about 2 years old, but nonetheless, it will give you a little bit more information about WebView2. From that video, here we can see this is what I'm talking about. Now, on Windows 10 and Windows 11, it's exactly the same. It was in your apps and features list. Under Microsoft Edge, I've got Canary for the channel. And here we found Edge WebView2. This is what I'm talking about that has been removed and is now embedded in the system. So there's no more option. If you're wondering where this went, it's because it's now buried deep in the system. And I've also noticed that the Microsoft Edge update here as well has been removed as well, just on a side note. So obviously the two are interlinked. And on Windows 11, if I head over quickly to my system, and we just head to our apps quickly, installed apps, here we can see exactly what I'm talking about. Because you will see now that it's been removed. So if we head down to Edge, no more Edge WebView2. It's been removed from this installed apps list and it's been placed in the system. So Microsoft hasn't pulled it out of the system or uninstalled it. It's just now located a lot more deeper in the system and it's not part of the apps and features list because obviously Edge and WebView2 are hard linked. They are almost one and the same. So I just wanted to put it out there in case you were wondering what was going on or you had noticed that the component had been removed from your apps and features list. And that was also something that was changed in that latest point release update as mentioned, which rolled out late last week. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.